Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using virtual tours with Matterport, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have a Matterport account. Visit the Matterport website and create an account if you don't have one. Download the Matterport Capture app from the App Store or Google Play. Check that your smartphone or tablet is compatible with the app. Gather the necessary hardware, such as a 360-degree camera or compatible smartphone. Position your camera at the starting point of your tour. Ensure the camera is stable and free from obstructions. Open the Matterport Capture app on your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to start creating your virtual tour. Select your camera model from the options provided. Press the Capture button to take your first scan. Slowly rotate the camera to capture the surrounding area. Once the scan is complete, move the camera to the next position. Repeat this process, capturing multiple angles throughout the space. Ensure each scan overlaps with the previous one for a smooth transition. After all scans are completed, review your captures in the app. Correct any scans if needed, ensuring all areas are well represented. Finalize your capturing session by selecting the option to process your tour. Wait for the processing to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once processed, access your tour on the Matterport dashboard. Use the editing tools to enhance the experience if desired. Add labels, tags, or notes to highlight specific features. Once satisfied, publish your virtual tour to share it with your audience. Copy the link provided to easily distribute your tour via email or social media. Monitor your tour analytics through the Matterport dashboard for insights. With these steps, you are now ready to start using virtual tours with Matterport effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.